Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Error 500, cluster not ready. The reason this happened is because your Proxmox is set up to detect two nodes, 1 and 2. But in my case, it's offline. So if we have one offline, we try to do this again, start now, and we get the same error. So now we need to disable one of those nodes to get it up and running again and enable it back on. In my case, my Proxmox is as a nested virtualization. So I have a Proxmox inside of another Proxmox. So I need to turn this one on. So I found in Proxmox Forums that there is a simple command to fix this. So we're going to open up here the terminal. I already rooted to my Proxmox using SSH. So here we just need to enter one command. I'm going to show two commands because one will show us the status of the nodes, which is in this case the cluster. We can see here in the Quorum information there's only one node available. But the expected bolts from what I found in the forums, this means that there needs to be two nodes for the Proxmox to start. So we need to change this from 2 to 1. So we just use the simple command this and change this to expected 1. So the Proxmox can load any virtual machine with just one node. So that means basically that the system will be ready. So we enter that command. Now if we check again the status, it just say that we just need one bolt. Now you can see it there, only one bolt. So if we go back here, now we should be able to start this up successfully. Now we can see there it's starting up. That's what we want. Perfect. Since I have this Proxmox connected to this other Proxmox at the same machine, this will change from a question mark to the check mark. But we should see it in a few seconds that this will change right now. Okay, so it's still loading up. Okay, now it's loading up. There's the question mark. Now we should see the check mark in a few seconds. And there it is. It started up perfectly. Now you just temporarily change the expected bolt from 1 to 2. But if you had 3 nodes, you would put 3. So if we go back here and check the status, we could just change this back to 2. But if we check the status again, we can see now the bolt says 2 and the node says 2. And that's basically it, guys. You have successfully fixed the issue. Now you can run again your system with no issues whatsoever, at least when I check in the forums. A very easy fix. I hope you guys found this short video educational and useful if you encountered this error. As always, guys, I thank my members, my subscribers, a huge thank you. If you have any issues concerning this and it's still not working for you, please leave a comment below. I try to reply to them as soon as possible if I have a other solution. I will leave everything in the description below. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. You have a good one now. Goodbye.